Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. The present writ petition has been filed against the order dated 25/10/2015 passed by the District Magistrate / Licensee Authority. By that order, the petitioner's license for retail vend of country liquor has been cancelled. Stock of lawful / unlawful liquor confiscated. Holograms, wrappers and corks. Basic license fee, advance security and cash rupees 70,530 forfeited. Stop. That order is disclosed to have been passed with reference to the powers vested in that authority under Section 34 and Section 72 within bracket C of the United Provinces Excise Act 1910 bracket open hereinafter referred to as the Act bracket close and Rule 21 of the UP Excise bracket open settlement of licenses for retail sale of country liquor bracket close rules 202 bracket open hereinafter referred to as the rules bracket close. Stop para. Challenge has also been raised to the order dated 5/5/2016 passed by the Excise Commissioner UP dismissing the appeal filed by the petitioner against the order dated 27/10/2015. Further, challenge has been raised to the order dated 27/9/2010 passed by the state government rejecting the revision filed by the petitioner against the appellate order dated 5/5/2016. Stop. Thus, the cancellation of license as also forfeiture and confiscation of basic license fee, security deposit, advance security deposit, lawful / unlawful stock of liquor, wrappers, cash and other items discovered during the inspection survey dated 21/9/2015 has been confirmed. Stop para. Heard Sri Neeraj Sharma assisted and Sri Abhishek Sharma learned counsel for the petitioner and Sri A.C. Tripathi learned standing counsel for the revenue. Stop para. At the outset, Sri Neeraj Sharma has confined the submissions and prayer made in the present writ petition against the forfeiture and confiscation of advance security, lawful stock of liquor and cash rupees 70,530. Challenge has not been praised to the other part of the impugned orders whereby country liquor license of the petitioner has been cancelled, unlawful stock of liquor and basic license fee for the excise year 2015-16 had been forfeited. Stop para. Learned counsel for the petitioner first states upon the inspection conducted on 21/9/2015 no seizure of stock of liquor etc. had been made. Stop. However, a wholly false FIR had been lodged against the petitioner on the same day about a week thereafter. On 29/9/2015, a show cause notice had been issued to the petitioner in exercise of power under Rule 21 within bracket 2 of the rules to show cause why the petitioner's license may not be cancelled. Stop. The petitioner had furnished his reply to that show cause notice. Stop. In that reply, he objected to the proposed forfeiture of the lawful stock of country liquor, cash as also advance security deposit. Stop para. Placing heavy reliance on the language of the rule 21 within bracket 2 and within bracket 3 of the rules as also the judgment of the learned single judge of this court in writ tax number 356 of 2014 Chandrapal Singh versus State of UP and others decided on 27/5/2014. Stop. It has been submitted though the order cancelling the country liquor license is not being challenged in the present proceedings. However, there could not have been any forfeiture of security cash money found in the shop and confiscation stock of lawfully procured liquor. Stop. आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।